Losing weight without losing muscle is a typical objective for many fitness enthusiasts. It's critical to preserve muscle while reducing fat since muscle mass plays a significant role in overall wellness. Muscles aid boost metabolism, promote joint health, and increase physical attractiveness. When you lose muscle along with fat, you may end up weaker and less toned. Maintaining muscle mass also guarantees that your body's metabolic rate stays high. This means you burn more calories even at rest, making it simpler to maintain a healthy weight. Furthermore, muscular tissue is denser than fat, so keeping your muscles intact can make you seem slimmer and more defined. This is especially crucial for novices who are just beginning their fitness adventure. Another reason to concentrate on retaining muscle is to avoid injury. Strong muscles support your bones and joints, lowering the chance of strains and other injuries. As you shed fat and gain muscle, your body becomes more robust and capable of tolerating physical hardship. This is vital for long-term health and fitness. Understanding the necessity of keeping muscle while decreasing fat creates the basis for successful exercise regimens. This video will investigate how nutrition and body weight workouts and lifestyle choices may help you attain your objectives without the need for any equipment. Diet has a significant influence in both fat reduction and muscle maintenance. The food you eat supplies the required nutrients to fuel your exercises and assist muscle repair. To shed fat without losing muscle, it's crucial to concentrate on a balanced diet that contains the correct combination of macronutrients, proteins, carbs, and fats. Proteins are the building components of muscle. Consuming enough protein helps repair and strengthen muscular tissues, particularly after exercises. Carbohydrates supply the energy required to execute activities properly. Healthy fats are vital for hormone synthesis and general wellness. A properly balanced diet guarantees that your body obtains all the nutrients it needs to operate efficiently. Caloric equilibrium is another crucial part of nutrition. To lose fat, you need to generate a calorie deficit, which means ingesting less calories than your body burns. However, it's crucial to do this in a regulated way. Drastic calorie decrease might lead to muscle loss and other health concerns. Aim for a modest calorie deficit that allows for consistent fat reduction while keeping muscular mass. In addition to macronutrients and calorie balance, water is crucial. Drinking enough of water enhances muscular function and assists with recuperation. It also assists in digestion and nutrition absorption. By paying attention to your food, you may establish the optimum circumstances for fat reduction and muscle maintenance. Protein consumption is vital for anybody seeking to shed weight without losing muscle. Proteins are composed up of amino acids, important for muscle repair and development. Physical exercises produce small muscle rips. When consuming adequate protein heals these damages and produces stronger muscles. Beginners should know their protein demands. A basic recommendation is 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. This changes dependent on objectives and exercise levels. High-protein foods include lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, and legumes. Timing of protein consumption important. Consuming protein before and after exercises increases muscle healing and development. For example, a protein drink or meal within an hour after exercising is good. This ensures muscles acquire critical nutrients as required. Distribute protein consumption throughout the day. Include protein in every meal and snack. This provides a consistent supply of amino acids, encouraging continual repair and development. Focus on protein intake to help muscle maintenance while decreasing fat. Caloric balance is necessary for optimal fat reduction without sacrificing muscular mass. To attain this equilibrium, you need to understand your body's energy demands. This entails estimating your basal metabolic rate, and total daily energy expenditure, or TDE. Your BMR is the amount of calories your body requires at rest, whereas your TDEE includes all physical activity. Once you know your TDE, establish a calorie deficit by ingesting fewer calories than you burn. A healthy and sustained deficit is generally approximately 500 calories per day, which may lead to a progressive weight reduction of roughly 1 pound per week. This strategy helps guarantee that the weight you lose is mostly fat, not muscle. It's also crucial to pick nutrient-rich meals that supply vitamins and minerals without extra calories. Concentrate on healthful meals, such as fruits, vegetables, lean meats, whole grains, and healthy fats. These meals not only help fat reduction, but also give the nutrients required for muscle maintenance and general health. Avoid empty calories from sugary beverages, processed foods, and snacks. They may contribute to fat accumulation and do not supply the essential nutrients for your body. For muscle maintenance, by carefully managing your caloric intake and focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you can achieve a healthy caloric balance that supports fat loss and muscle preservation. Bodyweight exercises are an excellent way to lose fat and build muscle without the need for any. These workouts utilize your body weight as resistance, making them accessible and effective for beginners. They may be done anywhere, making it simple to add exercises into your regimen. One of the key advantages of bodyweight workouts is that they train many muscle groups simultaneously. This leads to a greater calorie burn and increased muscular tone. For example, push-ups engage the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Squats focus the legs, glutes, and core. These compound exercises are efficient and helpful for general fitness. Another benefit of bodyweight workouts is that they may be readily adapted to meet your fitness levels. Beginners may start with simple variations and graduate to more harder forms as they acquire strength. This versatility guarantees that you may continue to test your muscles and stimulate development while shedding weight. Consistency is crucial when it comes to bodyweight workouts. Aim to execute these exercises at least 3 times a week, progressively increasing the intensity and volume as you grow stronger. By including bodyweight workouts into your regimen, you may successfully reduce fat and develop muscle without the need for any equipment. Bodyweight exercises may help you burn fat and develop muscle. Push-ups target the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Squats, glute strength. Planks are wonderful for core strength. Lunges target the legs and glutes. Burpees blend strength and cardio. Incorporate these workouts to target different muscle groups and increase strength. Consistency and discipline are key for accomplishing fitness objectives. It's not enough to work out intermittently or follow a diet plan for a short while. To get permanent effects, you need to make exercise a regular part of your life. This demands dedication and a long-term view. One method to be consistent is to create reasonable and attainable objectives. Break down your major fitness objectives into smaller, doable actions. For example, plan to work out 3 times a week or gradually increase your protein consumption. Celebrate your progress along the road to keep motivated. Creating a routine may also assist with consistency. Schedule your exercises and diet planning into your daily or weekly schedule. Treat these visits as non-negotiable, just like any other critical obligation. This technique helps build healthy habits and makes it simpler to adhere to your goal. It's also crucial to be diligent with your food and workout program. Avoid missing exercises or indulging in bad meals often. While it's great to enjoy occasional treats or rest days, keeping discipline guarantees that you remain on track towards your objectives. By being consistent and disciplined, you may accomplish lasting fat reduction and muscle maintenance. In addition to food and exercise, several lifestyle decisions may increase your fat reduction and muscle preservation efforts. These options include obtaining adequate sleep, managing stress, and being active throughout the day. Sleep is vital for muscle healing and general wellness. Aim for 7-9 hours of decent sleep each night. Lack of sleep may lead to increased appetite, lower energy levels, and delayed muscle repair. Establish a regular sleep pattern and establish a calm atmosphere to increase your sleep quality. Stress management is also vital. Chronic stress may lead to hormonal abnormalities that impact fat loss and muscle maintenance. Practice stress-lowering activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing techniques. Finding healthy strategies to deal with stress may enhance your general well-being and help your fitness objectives. Staying active during the day is another crucial component. Incorporate physical activity into your everyday routine, such as climbing the stairs, walking during breaks, or conducting brief workout sessions. These simple efforts might add up and contribute to your overall fitness. By adopting healthy lifestyle choices, you may create a favorable environment for fat reduction and muscle maintenance. These options complement your nutrition and exercise efforts, leading to greater outcomes and enhanced overall health. Staying motivated and patient is key for accomplishing your fitness objectives. Fat reduction and muscle preservation need time and work. It's crucial to keep focused and not become disheartened by sluggish progress or setbacks. One approach to keep motivated is to monitor your progress. Keep a log of your exercises, nutrition, and any changes in your body measurements. Seeing your progress over time may be very motivating and confirm your dedication to your objectives. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Share your objectives with friends, family, or join a fitness group. Having a support system may give encouragement, accountability, and incentive. Celebrate your triumphs together and encourage each other through obstacles. Finally, be patient with yourself. Understand that fitness is a journey, not a destination. There may be ups and downs, but keeping dedicated to your strategy will lead to long-term success. Focus on the good improvements you're making and trust the process. By keeping motivated and patient, you may reach your objective of shedding fat without losing muscle. Remember that every step you take towards a healthy lifestyle is a step in the right path. Keep pushing on, and you will see the fruits of your hard work.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.